What's up, YouTube? We're gonna do this. You Said Something by PJ Harvey. Starts on the F, C, G, a rooftop in Brooklyn, watching Manhattan. You said something. So there's one thing you got to remember is at the end of each verse, like when she sings "I've Never Forgotten," that everything else is F, C, G, but then at the end you go A minor, C, G. So the final time when she said "I've never forgotten," go A minor, delete the F there. Substitute it with A minor. And then there's a second part that is A minor, C, G, A minor, C, G. So yeah, pretty accessible song. F, C, G, and then that other part is just the A minor, C, G. And then she's playing this little, I don't know, some kind of instrument that you blow on, and or maybe it's like a little keyboard. On this A minor scale. The whole melody's in there with some outside notes. So. Alright, that's PJ Harvey. You said something. What do you think it was? I think it was I Love You, probably.